Well, we made it. Oh, what a shit show of a ride in the rain. It's got to be the worst on a bike on the M6 in the rain with all the spray. But we made it from the Midlands to Liverpool for the ferry crossing to the Isle of Man TT. So I thought I'd do the opening video in a series of TT 24 videos. This one's going to be getting on the ferry. Nothing too exciting, but if you've never been to the TT before and you're wondering what the ferry's like, then this is the one to watch. Hello fella. Right, we've got that. Hopefully that's all I need. Oh, that was excellent. Thank you. That was quite painless. Now what do I do? Queue up behind him, I reckon. I'm following him with his flashy lights. Follow him, yeah? Looks like it. It's the first time I've rode with full panniers on it. Don't know, I feel wobbly. Soggy bottom. I've never actually been to Liverpool as such. I know I'm in Liverpool now, but you know what I mean, I've never actually stopped and been around Liverpool city centre and had a good old look around. It does look quite nice when you come in. I've not been stabbed since I got here, which is, you know, don't believe everything you read in the media. So the plan is, obviously, go to the TT on the boat in a minute. This Sunday night, so this crossing gets into Douglas about 11:15 PM on a Sunday evening, and the TT first practice starts the following day on the Monday. The roads are going to be shut from 10 AM on the first day. It's alright, I'm trying to look. I ain't not quite knowing what you're supposed to do, but luckily there's a load of people in front of me, obviously you can see. I'm just going to follow them. I'm more of a follower than a leader, to be fair. Look at you, that blingy bike. Look. Need some of them. Has he got? What's he got? Ticket. Thank you. This is nice. This, oh, a grippy surface. It's quite nice. So yeah, I'm going over slightly early. There's obviously TT not started yet. There is a method to my madness of actually going in early. It's because when I booked it about 3 weeks ago, oh, you never get on, you've got to book it a year in advance. Well, maybe so on race week, but practice week, i.e. the first week this week, I managed to get a crossing just for me and the bike. Now I was going to come over on the Monday, put it in the Steam Packet, which is the Isle of Man Ferry Steam Packet website. Plenty of crossings, £258 for me and the bike on a flexi 4-day return, so I've got up to 4 days to come back. Now just before I booked it, I thought, you know, I'll just move that little calendar date over to a Sunday from the Monday, come a day early, see if it makes any difference on the price. So I've done that, and the price dropped from £258 to £144. So I'm thinking, oh, that's alright. So yeah, I'll get in at 11:30 tonight, and I'm pitching a tent, so by the time I get there in the dark, it's probably going to be raining. Not really sure where I'm going. I've got to pitch the tent in the dark and blah blah blah. Not ideal, but for the sake of saving a bit of money and the fact that I'm going to be there for first thing when they shut the roads at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning as well. So I've got 60 miles left in the tank. That'll be plenty anyway. Yeah, so that's what I've done. So it cost me £144 to get over here and back again, which I thought was a pretty good bargain. I'm actually camping in a farmer's field as well. Rather than the campsite, I'm camping in a farmer's field. I don't know the farmer, my brother does, so he's kind of put my name forward. Spoke to the farmer on the phone. Yeah, no worries. I'll send you a little Google mappy thing. So the field is somewhere near Douglas. So hopefully I'll find it, and hopefully I'll find the right field and get camped up tonight. So yeah, this is just the crossing video. I'll edit it down because it's a bit boring just queuing to get on a boat and then get off the boat at the other end. It's kind of how it goes, I suppose. Tomorrow I'm going to be filming some bits and bobs. I will do as much track action as I can, weather permitting, because the weather's on and off raining Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday by the looks of it, the days I'm there. Ugh. I'm glad the ramp's dry. There we go. This is the faffage getting at this bit, look. Everyone's watching. Yeah. What is there? Where am I going? Ugh. All the way down. Thank you, sir. Easy peasy. Plenty of time. Oh, this is the bit I hate. It seems like I'm wobbling. I've suddenly gone all wobbly. Yeah. Do you want it left in gear?
Yeah. Left in gear.
Right, am I gonna? Poor old bastard. Oh shit! Is that? Oh. That's good service. I think I done it myself last time. Well, part of the service, my friend. Right, I better take my phone. I'll leave that on a sec, actually. That's it. We're in. We are in. Which way do I go now, remind me? Oh yeah, up there, yeah. That way apparently. Let me take this off, I'll be banging my head out. Oh, I forgot I got my glasses on as well. Oh.
I'm the same with the pain in the ass glasses.
Isn't it? Oh, just about get through. Beautiful. No, not a lot, they crop them in. They've done this before, haven't they? I haven't got soaking ass. I thought, it'd be alright, it ain't gonna rain. Then I got on the M6 and it absolutely pissed it. And my waterproofs were like behind me.
Well, this should have worked, but I suppose
this ain't too bad, but it's all good down there and my bollocks and my arse are soaking.